Welcome back. Today, we explore the file import. Let's get started. MeshInspector supports various formats, including point clouds, meshes, voxels, DICOM, polylines, distance maps, and G-code. Here's a snapshot of the supported formats. Now that you know what formats we support, let's explore how to open them based on your needs. For most file formats, you can open them as single files using the Open Files button. However, certain formats, such as CT and MRI scans, require a distinct approach to opening. To open DICOM, select the folder containing the DICOM files. For raw files, make sure to set relevant parameters before initiating the opening process. If you have multiple files, there are two convenient options. Either bundle them in a zip file and open it, or use the Open Directory feature to open all files within a directory at once. Need to revisit your recent work? We've got a handy feature for that too. Simply click on the Open File drop-down to access your recent files. It's a quick way to jump back into your ongoing projects. The Open Files and Open Directory options are conveniently sticky at the top left corner, accessible no matter where you are in the interface. And there you have it, a guide to importing files in MeshInspector. If you have any questions, refer to our help section or contact our support team at support@meshinspector.com. See you in the next videos.